Now come to exercise 13.1. Say question number 1. Find the value of, say first part, it is 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6 means 2 is multiplied 6 times. Multiply it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply it. What will you get? It is 64. This is your answer. Say second part. 9 raised to power 3. 9 raised to power 3 means 9 is multiplied 3 times. That is 9 into 9 into 9. And if you multiply it, what will you get? 729. Now come to third part. It is 11 raised to power 2. It means 11 is multiplied 2 times. That is 11 into 11. And if you multiply 11 into 11, you will get 121. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. 5 raised to power 4. 5 raised to power 4 means 5 is multiplied 4 times. That is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Multiply it, you will get 625. This is your answer. Now come to question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Say first part. It is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. You have to write in exponential form. Here 6 is multiplied 4 times. So this can be written as 6 raised to power 4. Now come to second part. It is t into t. Here t is multiplied 2 times. It can be written as t raised to power 2. Now come to third part. It is b into b into b into b. Here b is multiplied 4 times. Therefore it can be written as b raised to power 4. Now come to fourth part. It is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Here 5 is multiplied 2 times. Therefore it can be written as 5 raised to power 2 into 7 is multiplied 3 times. Therefore it can be written as 7 raised to power 3. Now come to fifth part. It is 2 into 2 into a into a. Here 2 is multiplied 2 times. It can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into, again a is multiplied 2 times. It can be written as a raised to power 2. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. It is a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. Here A is multiplied 3 times, therefore it can be written as a raised power 3 into C is multiplied 4 times, therefore it can be written as C raised power 4 into D. Now come to question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. You have to write all these numbers in exponential form. See how to do it. See solution. See first part. It is 512. Make prime factors of 512. Here 512 divisible by 2. Divide it by 2. Here 2 2 is a 4. 2 5 is a 10. 2 6 is a 12. Again it is divisible by 2. Divided by 2. It can be written as 2 1 is 2 2 is a 4. 2 8 is a 16. Then 2. It can be written as 64. Again divided by 2. We will get 32. Again divided by 2. We will get 16. Again divided by 2. We will get 8. Again divided by 2. We will get 4. Again divided by 2. We will get 2. Again divided by 2. We will get 1. Here stop it. Therefore 512 can be written as, see how many times 2 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here 512 can be written as 2 into 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 2. That is, here 2 is multiplied 9 times. It can be written as 2 raised power 9. This is your answer. Now come to the second part. 343. Now make prime factors of 343. Say 343 is divisible by 7. Divided by 7. You will get 49. Now 49 is divisible by 7. 7 7 ja, again by 7. You will get 1. Therefore 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7, and in exponential form we can write it 7 raised power 3 because 7 is multiplied 3 times. Now come to third part. It is 729. Now make prime factors of 729. Here 729, it is divisible by 3. Divided by 3. What will you get? 243. Again divided by 3. What will you get? 81. Again divided by 3. You will get 27. Again divided by 3. You will get 9. Again divided by 3. You will get 3. again divided by 3, he will get 1. Therefore, 729 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 is multiplied 6 times. Therefore, it can be written as 3 raised power 6. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. 3125. Now find prime factors of 3125. It is divisible by 5 divided by 5. What will you get? 625. Again it is divisible by 5 divided by 5. You will get 125. Again it is divisible by 5. You will get 25. Again it is divisible by 5. You will get 5. And 5 again it is divisible by 5. You will get 1. Therefore, 3125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 is multiplied 5 times. Therefore, it can be written as 5 raised power 5. This is your answer. Now come to question number 4. Here I identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Say first part. It is 4 raised power 3 or 3 raised power 4. Here take 4 raised power 3. 4 raised power 3 means 4 is multiplied 3 times. Multiply it 4 into 4 into 4. Multiply it, what will you get? 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. And 3 raised power 4. Here 3 is multiplied 4 times. It can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply it. It is 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. Here what we observe, since 81 is greater than 64, therefore 3 raised power 4 is greater than 4 raised power 3. Now come to second part. 5 raised power 3 or 3 raised power 5. Take first number, that is 5 raised power 3. Here 5 raised power 3 means 5 is multiplied 3 times. It can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. And if you multiply it, you will get 125. Now 3 raised power 5. Here 3 raised power 5 can be written as 3 multiplied 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And if you multiply, what will you get? 243. Here what we observe, since 243 is greater than 125, therefore we can say that 3 raised power 5 is greater than 5 raised power 3. Now come to third part. 2 raised power 8 or 8 raised power 2. Here take first number 2 raised power 8. 2 raised power 8 means 2 is multiplied 8 times. So 2 into 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 2. If you multiply it, what will you get? 256. Here take second number, that is 8 raised power 2. 8 raised power 2 means 8 is multiplied 2 times. 8 into 8, 8 8 is 64. Here what we observe, here since 256 is greater than 64, therefore 2 raised power 8 is greater than 8 raised power 2. Now come to fourth part. It is 100 raised power 2 or 2 raised power 100. Say first number 100 square. 100 square means 100 is multiplied 2 times. That is 100 into 100. What will you get? 10,000. Now say second number. It is 2 raised power 100. This can be written as 2 raised power 10 raised power 10. Here 2 raised power 10 means 2 is multiplied 10 times. That is 2 into 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 2 raised power 10. Here if you multiply 2 10 times, it is 1024 raised power 10. Here since 1024 raised power 10 is greater than 10,000, therefore you can say that 2 raised power 100 is greater than 100 raised power 2. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. 2 raised power 10 or 10 raised power 2. Take first number, that is 2 raised power 10. It means 2 is multiplied 10 times. 2 into 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 2, and if you multiply it, you will get 1024. Second number, it is 10 raised power 2. 10 raised power 2 means 10 into 10, that is 100. What we observe, since 1024 is greater than 100, therefore we can say that 2 raised power 10 is greater than 10 raised power 2. This is your answer.